Holiday Arts. What's that?
City Hall.
Oh, this is a cute town. Blueberry. The Blueberry store. Some tie-dye. It's pretty packed for a Monday night. Clementines. I do want to see that church again down there. We have to go back because we're going to pass that church. Oh, it's Venezia Pizza. Nice. Oh, wow, this is pretty. Look at there. So what do you buy a boat and you just leave it there, and then when you want to go on the boat, you just go and stand on the boat?
Well, you have to buy a dock.
You buy a dock. So you own the dock and the boat, and then you just go down and see it with all the other boats. Oh, looky there. Nice! sunsetter. There he goes. Long gone. Everybody's, I'm filming everybody, they're all waving. Did you catch anything today?
One coho so far. Coho salmon.
Oh, nice. This is nice. Made it. Look at that old church. Somebody's fishing right there. That's your fishing pole?
No, it's not. I don't know whose it is.
Here we come to the end of the pier. Are you guys catching anything today?
Yeah, he caught a a sunfish. I caught 3 weird fish, and I'm at either snag or a really big fish.
Oh boy. Yeah, looks like something big down there. Okay. Preserving our past enriches our future. The United States of America donated this lighthouse to the Historical Association of South Haven for public educational and historic preservation use. The National Historic Lighthouse Preservation Act, March 8, 2012. Very nice lighthouse. Very nice.
He's like 8.
What is this thing here? You come here a lot, right? So you would know?
Yeah, it's so that people can walk to the top of the lighthouse to get in.
Oh, they walk on that?
They used to.
They
They
used to.
used to have boards on it. But
Oh, okay.
everything's digital now, so
Oh, that's really cool.
it's not really in use anymore. But it used to be so they could walk out when it was like ice out here,
Yeah.
because the ice wouldn't go up there for whatever reason.
Oh, very nice. Well, thank you. Good luck with everything today. Oh, yeah. I love Bob Seger. And that, folks, was South Beach. And there's the lighthouse. Army Corps of Engineers. This town out of all of them the best. Just the feel of it, because it's got the older feel. like that turret up there. And they have a couple of museums. Clementines. That was on Things to Do. I guess that's a really famous restaurant or popular restaurant. Hey, I'm hoping on the way to go back that we can see that little gas station if I can remember where it is. Oh, okay, here's the church up here. Look at this thing. Past the light on the right. See it right up there. See that? Wait, you see it? So there's that old building there. This is like very old section because of that building. And then I think this is old too, right here on the right. But look at this church. Look at that. And look how it's, you know, on the corner there. The bell's gone. Oh, look at that old house. Oh, yeah. There we go. Historical marker. The Federated Women's Club, the Scott Club, founded as a reading circle in 1883 and named for Sir Walter Scott. Merged with the Literary and Antiquarian Societies to build a clubhouse in 1892. He designed this sandstone Queen Anne structure built by local artisans and completed in 1893. I thought it was a church. It's not. 2 stained glass windows created in Austria portray Sir Walter Scott and Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. Oh, wow. This building has been in continuous use by the Scott Club as a cultural center, providing fellowship for women of the area. How cool is that? Here I thought it was a church. And I love how it comes down the center. There's a church over there. And then there's a church over there. They have their bell gone. I do think there was, maybe there wasn't a bell. Maybe it's just a... Oh, it's so beautiful. South Haven. The black squirrel. Boy, he's a brave one too. Huh. I thought it was a church, so there was no bell. That's just a, I think it's just like a balcony. That's what I'm talking about right there. Is that a Cadillac? Oh, look at that. They're redoing that one. Oh, wow. Top of that one. At the food center. Right there. Thank goodness they have a Family Dollar. There's the Chamber of Commerce. Oh, it's Burger King. Alright, well, we gotta go the other way now. Okay, there is something else that's disappearing here in South Haven. Is the red roof Pizza Hut. They have the new sign, but the Pizza Huts are disappearing left and right all over the country. That's an old one. Wing Street it is now called. And that looks like an old school. It sure is.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto Phoenix Street.
What street? Phoenix. That used to be. Well, they're still open, thank goodness, it looks like. Scratch Kitchen. Oh, look at the China Cafe. Isn't that cute? Are they closed?
Take out only.
At the light, turn right onto Phoenix Street.
Church. I just want to see this. See, that looks like that was an old church. Yeah, it was. And there's that. There's the museum. It's a beautiful Victorian. I love the colors. The Manor, bed and breakfast. It's so interesting how they're all so different. And there's North Beach. Yeah, Victorian. Oh, they're nice. And they're huge. Look how big that is. That was a double turn. Oh, that boy, that squirrel about got it. See that? Poor thing. He made it though. Now, what would you call this? This isn't is it apartment buildings or is that an old building? It looks like something old. Like a barn almost. What do you call those? Shipbuilding. There or here? So I want one of those little arms. Now see, that's a really old church. It's brick on the bottom. It's called Phoenix Street and Broadway now. And so is this building, like this whole little area here. Dedicated to the advancement of learning. Look at that poor Taco Bell. What have they done?